Welcome to this video. In the previous segment, we have decoded what are the critical factors. So in this segment, let's decode together what is a superachiever journey. Despite of all the disruption, good economy, bad economy, career landscape transformation, we can be a superachiever. Alright, so let's decode the superachiever journey together. So there is a system designed, I call it S.M.E of GOAL. Skill set, mindset, environment. So these are the 4 pillars. If we work on these 4 pillars, you are going to be unstoppable and definitely you are going to have a great career in the long term. So let's decode what are the 4 pillars are. The first one is very clear and very common. It's goal clarity. Because when you say goal clarity, it doesn't mean just education stream. When I say goal clarity, you should be pretty clear what is the education that you are going to pursue, which is relevant for your career, what are the skills set that you are going to develop, your health goal, career goals, money goal. It should be absolutely clear in terms of your goal, long-term goal, short-term goal. If there's no goal clarity, people they get lost, just like ship. If there is no proper coordinates, it may reach somewhere, nowhere, anywhere. So goal clarity is very important pillar to become a superachiever. What is the second pillar? Second pillar is developing our skill sets, professional skills, life skills. So if we have a relevant and required skill set, then you are unstoppable. No matter whatever is there, you are going to thrive and achieve something great. So this is the second pillar. And what is the third pillar? Third pillar is basically working on your mindset. Mindset is very important because the mindset is a driver. Mindset basically is know how do you think, how do you believe, how do you act. So we need to develop a success mindset. When I say success mindset, it's a combination of growth mindset, positive mindset, and abundance mindset. When I say growth mindset is basically thinking in terms of it can be learned, it can be done. Positive mindset is having optimistic view, and abundance mindset it means thinking that there are a lot of opportunities, that abundant opportunity. Right? So we need to develop a success mindset. It's very important. Fourth pillar is basically working on your environment. You need to create a success environment because what happens? Somebody rightly said your environment is more powerful than willpower. Even if you have all pillar, your goal, skill set, mindset, everything set right, but if your environment around you is not right, then you are going to quit very soon because environment influence your mindset, skill set, even the actions. So when I say environment, basically is space. You need to declutter your space where do you live, your work area, study area, declutter your people around you, family, friends. Make sure you are in company of right people because they shape your mindset. Declutter your mental space, consume the right content, social media and other media content, because that also influence your thinking, your belief system. And or digitally, make sure that you are aware. You do not just consume by digital media, right? So digitally also you are decluttered. So that once you are decluttered and you have a right environment, then you can create a high focus because opposite to cluttered is focus. In order to make it effective, how can we put someone, your child, if you are a parent watching this, or yourself, you are a college student. So basically, I prepared the journey. I call it level plus plus journey. So this is purely gamified in terms of hackathons, in terms of community support. So there is a community I call it SuperAchiever Mastermind community. We together with all the achievers mindset people who are ambitious, who have big goals. They play the game together, and these are the steps. These are the levels of super achievers. Right? First one is finisher. Finisher means once you have absolute goal clarity, you know your personality, you know your strength area, your interest area, you are clear about your path, then you are finisher. That you are on right track. Second level is champion. Champion means you complete the course. There's a foundation course. I call it Super Achiever Career Launchpad. So if once complete the course so that your foundation is strong, and your skill set, your mindset and environment is correctly set properly, you have required mindset, you have required skill set, you have environment, then I call them champions. And there's reward system, right? I reward them in terms of certification, in terms of signed copy of my book, in terms of goodies like printed t-shirts. So this is the second level. Third level achiever. Third level achiever means once you complete your aligned education, right? When I say education, basically required a skill set, your formal education. Once you complete it aligned to your career, then you get a certificate, and you also get 1,000 rupees get voucher, and also you'll be interviewed because you are achiever. You achieve something, your dream education, your as per your career goals. And super achiever is basically once you have a breakthrough in your career and you get your dream job, get your desired career, and you get a great breakthrough. That's your aspirational goal. And once you achieve that, you are super achiever, and you get certificate, you get interviewed and get visibility across. Of course, you are super achievers. So that's a journey I have prepared. It's not about knowledge. It's there is a complete focus, there is complete actions, because without action there will not be any results. That's the reason we have created this community and created this level plus plus journey, so that now anybody, if you follow this, he or she can be super achievers. Hope you get a lot of value and you get overall picture in terms of career landscape and what is the growth area, what are the challenges in economy, and what are the critical success factors. Also, we have decoded what is the super achiever journey, and we have seen that how if he or she, if you are a student, if you are a parent, your child can put on the super achiever career path and journey, so that irrespective of financial challenges, still we can achieve something great in your life.